Hey guys, it's me, Maria, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how I curl my hair using this crimper or waver. I bought this crimper a long time ago and it's been really a big help for me because I like my hair wavy and curled. And even before I discovered this tool, I used to crimp my hair using a hair straightener, just a regular one. Maybe I'll show you how to do that another time. For today, I'll just show you how I use this. Wow. I'm just going to open the door because it's getting hot in here now. It's getting hot in here, so take off all your clothes. I'm sweaty already. I set my crimper to 180 and I'm just gonna leave it to preheat. While I'm preheating my crimper, I'm just going to section my hair using lace. The scrunchie is to set aside the half of my hair, and then I'm going to start curling my other half. Grab a piece. And then make sure that piece would fit in the iron. This side up. So carefully put that there and then ta-da! And then where you left it is where you also start. Do you see what I mean? There it is. Just follow the wave. Yeah, remember to just leave it for 10 seconds. So what I do is count 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010. Huh? So yeah, that's just how I do it. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 2008, 2009, 2010. One down. See that? Gorgeous. And we'll just continue doing the same until we get to the top. But remember to make sure that your hair is not tangled. Yeah, I like it to be really curled. I only grab thin piece and make sure it fits in the iron. Just like so. Okay. Looking good. Here I grab this piece, but it's still quite thick, so I'll just cut it in half, like so. And make sure that it's not tangled. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005. And again. Oh gosh, takes ages. 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008. Let's go back to 10. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008. I'm done with my first half. Again, just grab a piece that would fit in the iron. Quite tricky on this side because I believe this side of my hair is thicker than this side. I'm just gonna finish the other half of my hair and I'm gonna make it fast. It took me more than 1 hour to do this, but thanks for the magic of editing, it looks pretty easy and quick. I love this hairstyle because I feel like a goddess, like a mermaid. When's it my turn? Wouldn't I love to explore that shore above, out of the sea. Wish I could be part of that world. And I'm done. Wow. Just a little bit of hairspray for the finish. And more hairspray. And I think it's, oh, more. Okay, done. Now it's up to you how you want to style it, but for me, I prefer to clip it both sides. And that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like this video, please click thumbs up and subscribe. See you again in the next video. Bye! You're so gorgeous.